Hello, welcome to The Functional Plate. I'm your host, Sakina, your eco-friendly hostess with the mostest and your nutritional guide. The Functional Plate is all about learning how to nourish your body with whole foods. With the knowledge that I have, I want to share some simple recipes, great books, and knowledge and wisdom about food and its healing abilities. I've had my blog, mybrownsparkles.com, for over 12 years, and I've spoken about different topics from wellness, fashion, food, and nutrition. But I decided to go ahead and make a channel dedicated to nutrition and specifically functional foods. Functional foods are foods that have properties that are healing to the body. And on my channel, I want to share with you ways that I use food to heal my own body. So, if you're ready to learn how to use real whole foods to nourish and heal your body, you're in the right place. On today's episode, I will be sharing with you how to make your own homemade breakfast sausage from scratch. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, and a lot of times most breakfast foods can be very fatty, high in cholesterol, and not very healthy. So I've decided to share a few of my favorite home style comfort foods with a little twist. So today we'll be making turkey breakfast sausage using lean ground turkey and a few spices. And I'm telling you, once you learn how to make this breakfast sausage, you'll never go back to the pork sausage that's full of unhealthy fat and God knows what else chemicals. So, if you're ready to learn, let's get to it.
He makes sure to get his cat. Someone passed away, especially when someone young.
sausage and cheese, okay? So this is my perfect breakfast, a biscuit sandwich. Press that down and voila.